Are missed leads and slow responses costing your vehicle repair shop money and customers every week? UltraSystemized all-in-one automation system solves this by centralizing all your customer messages, calls, and scheduling. Picture your leads from calls, websites, and texts, all organized automatically so your team responds faster every time. Your calendar fills seamlessly, follow-ups happen without reminders, and your pipeline remains spotless and up-to-date. Track performance using clear KPI visuals that help you grow and make decisions with confidence every single day. This powerful system reduces chaos and missed chances, letting your shop run smarter and smoother every day. Switch to UltraSystemized and experience stress-free management and more closed deals in your repair business. Tap into faster responses and organized workflows now. Watch your repair shop scale effortlessly with UltraSystemized.